Today's day 4. We have teleported back to Kanchanaburi to pick mushroom. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh.
Now we are trying to find the next cluster of mushroom. I can't even spot the mushroom. Blooming is like picking a bag full of them already. Few more new species. There's this one that looks like a ball. And there's the white one. This one is called no mushroom.
No. Lango.
Langu.
Lango.
Yeah. Another ball one. Hey.
What? Oh. Oh, come on.
Come on. Okay.
Okay.
Hey. We changed location already. Wow, look at the horse of the other people. Those are all the special, more delicious mushroom. That one is like the normal mushroom, tastes a bit bitter.
เฝ้าแล้วเราถ่ายแหน่เราสิถ่ายข้างหลังเดี๋ยวจะเฝ้า
อย่าแย่งกันทายทายแล้วเราเอามาให้คอยนี่เขาจะไปแกงดำอย่าเพิ่งเห็นมือมันดอกนี่3 ดอกหาอีกทายเฮ็ดแล้วทายจะหูมันนะทายแล้วเราก็ไม่ต้องเก็บเดี๋ยวคนเก็บเพราะว่าเขาไม่เช่าเขาไปตั้งเยอะแยะนะแก
These are the rare items. See everyone around here so excited.
อะไรโอ้ แซ่บ
Hey, these mushroom are good to eat also. okay. She found a treasure trove of the orange mushroom. Like a lot around here now. One cluster here. Everywhere.
Wow.
Everywhere, man. Some to the left also. We are rich. Oh, there's so much more orange gold here. Yeah, Rubin also very excited. See? Wow! Everywhere! Oh, this is a big one. All gonna be worth it. Crawling through the thick vegetation to get all these mushrooms. Wow! Okay, it's a wrap for today. So today we got this normal mushroom. It's a bit bitter. Okay. Then we got bamboo shoot, plenty of them. Okay, and we got the orange gold mushroom, the very delicious one. Yeah, huge amount. And this tiny nice. Yeah. Alloy. Alloy. Ah. Okay, bring them back to get more bamboo shoot and then we call it a day already.